Turn a one-time $20 into a massive recurring income stream whilst learning the science of manifesting everything you want in life. Our Science of Manifestation training is your path to happiness and to being all you can be in life. It has 3 membership levels, and you can, in time, be paid into them all, with more powerful training at each level. It starts at just $20 and releases a new training with each renewal, financed by our unique profit-sharing plan. So, although it's a minimum of a 30-day subscription, you will only ever pay $20 out of pocket. You can, of course, subscribe to levels 1 and 2, or all 3 levels, to access the more advanced trainings faster and be positioned for higher profit shares sooner. If you sincerely can't afford the $20, there is a possibility that your sponsor or an existing member may pay your fee, PIF, for you. If not, then in time, the system will take care of you, but it can sometimes be a long wait. And so we recommend that you take courage and invest $20 or more in your future as soon as you join. Note that to be eligible for a PIF, you will need to verify your identity. This is not required when self-funding. Up to 81.25% of all income received is paid back to members as a profit share and through our 2-tier referral system. Your profit share may start slowly at about $10, but over time will build to $4,990 recurring with every subscription renewal. I think you'll agree that's pretty good for a one-time $20. The referral commissions will grow to a recurring $30,040 for each personal referral, Tier 1, and up to a recurring $27,500 for those referred by your personal referrals, Tier 2. This makes referring someone not only spiritually rewarding because you know you are helping them, but it also puts big money into your pocket. It is a fact that we are all linked together by an almighty power, and whenever you help others, you are also helping yourself. Click the Join Now button to get started right away. Your new and happier future awaits you.